Hey, what's up guys? In this quick 5-minute tutorial we are going to go over rounded images. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is what the app is going to look like. I have some rounded images I would use for like profile photos. Got one with a white border and then black border. And you can see they also have click listeners. So let's show you how we did it. There are just a few to-dos. This app uses a GitHub repo that I will put in the description, and I think there's only about 5 or 6 different steps. Yeah, so we'll go to the first step. So you need to add the library dependency into your app's build.gradle file, and that is this guy right here. And I'll make sure to link the code for this app in the description. Okay, so once you have that done, I'm going to go ahead and sync my file. So your second step is going to be to add the rounded image to your layout, and you do that by copying this code that you see here, just like you see it. A couple things about it: you have your width and your height. This is how I would adjust the size of that profile image. These are just some margins that are set up. This is the most important piece. You set the source of the image from a file that's in your drawable folder, and then this is where you get your border, color, and width. And this is just some constraint layout stuff. And as you'll see, I have 3 different ones in my layout file. Like I said, 3 is make sure you assign an image to it in your drawable folder. Okay, once you have that done, you'll go into whichever activity you are adding your rounded image to, and you're going to create a circle image view variable. Here I'm creating 3 named image 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to go to your 5th step. You're going to hook it to your UI. So as you can see here, these are the IDs I assigned my circle images within my layout, and I am hooking them to those variables we just created. And then number 6. So in the layout I set the image. If you wanted to do this pragmatically in your Java code, you would do something like this right here. I'm going to uncomment that real quick. So you'd do something like this, but you'll want to make sure you call resource compat.getDrawable, and I can just Alt Enter to import that class. And that is how you will, and then you pass in a drawable and then a null theme. And then if you wanted to create an Onclicklistener for this, you would just do it like you would set a click listener for anything else. I'm setting up one for image 1, and I'll do image1.set Onclicklistener, just your standard listener. And this one, it displays a toast. And on my second image, I am starting an activity. And this is the one-line way to go to a new activity. In this case, my second activity. If you wanted to do it multiple lines, you would use this code right here. But that is how you implement rounded images in your Android app. It's I know it's a little fast, but it is super easy. And once you have the code and you know how to do it, you'll do it all the time. And that is how you do rounded images in Android Studio. Thank you guys. Have a great day.